Ready to transform your Instagram profile from ordinary to unforgettable with custom story highlight covers? If your Instagram profile is currently sporting these generic gray icons or a messy mix of random screenshots, you're missing a huge opportunity to make a statement. Today, we're diving into how to create visually appealing and branded covers for your Instagram story highlights, making your profile pop and drawing viewers in. The beauty of this is you don't need to be a professional designer. We'll cover how to use readily available apps and editing tools to craft designs that perfectly represent your brand or personality. First, let's pick our tool. I love using apps like Canva, which are super user-friendly. Open the app and create a new design, choosing a square aspect ratio perfect for Instagram covers. Now, for the background, this is your canvas. You can choose a solid color that matches your brand palette, or select a subtle texture. Think about the overall feel you want for your highlights. Next, the icon. This is what instantly communicates what the highlight is about. Most apps have extensive icon libraries. Search for keywords related to your highlight, like travel, food, work, or a specific interest. Once you've found the perfect icon, drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it, move it around, and position it centrally for maximum impact. Keep it clean and easy to understand. Don't forget the color of your icon. Make sure it contrasts well with your background for readability. Again, stick to your brand colors if you have them, or choose colors that create a pleasing aesthetic. For some highlights, you might want to add a single word, like travel or recipes. Choose a simple, readable font and place it either above or below your icon, ensuring it doesn't clutter the design. Repeat this process for each highlight. You want to create a cover frame for a consistent look and feel across all your covers to create a cohesive and visually appealing profile. Once designed, save each image to your phone. Then, head over to your Instagram profile, tap on a highlight, select Edit Highlight, then Edit Cover, and upload your new custom creation. And there you have it, a beautifully organized Instagram profile that's branded, inviting, and ready to capture your viewers' attention. Start creating your unique highlight covers today.